It's important to have the technical expertise and also deep insights into the supply chain operations of a unit like ours. I think these are the two reasons why we really looked at Stellium, who has been our trusted partner. Hi, I am Ashish Chatri, the Vice President Systems in Asian Paints. We have been doing digital transformation across various elements, but the one I'd really like to talk about today is about the transformation that we did in our, in our logistics network, right from the manufacturing plants to the distribution network. We really set up high-class, world-class, automated plants, with systems completely automated, and that was the really start of our digital journey, ensuring processes are in control, efficient, optimized, and we get real value for the investments that we do in our assets. And that was the real reason why we got into a digital transformation, which was the cornerstone of ensuring really high productivity. We've used various solutions, SAP EWM and TM being at the cornerstone at our manufacturing plants, including the SAP MI, and ME systems. So that has really benefited us over the years, and we have implemented it across 8 of our manufacturing plants. These solutions really help us scale faster, get to rated capacity at very fast rates, and really keep cost under control. So I would say these are the 3 real aspects which has helped us in this digitization journey. So Stellium has been our partner for many years, around the spaces of, EWM at the manufacturing plants and also transportation management lately. I think when we select a partner, we really look at deep expertise that they bring to the table, not only in terms of implementation, but clearly in terms of the resilience to ensure that these solutions meet the desired objective and are sustained later on. It's important to have the technical expertise and also deep insights into the supply chain operations of a unit like ours. I think these are the two reasons why we really looked at Stellium, who has been our trusted partner. Sometimes it's difficult to make out who is from Stellium and who is from Asian Paints. Oh, there have been many. I think and I would like to think of maybe the transportation management solution that we implemented. I think it was a tough solution. I think the real value addition that Stellium got was, as I said, a lot of technical expertise, and it really ensured that this solution goes on stream, live and running in all our manufacturing plants, achieving the desired objective. I think they really bought in the expertise to implement the solution, and also at times look at the complexity in the operations and suggest the right algorithm at many times. So I would say that as the key thing that they really brought value to.